Hello students, today we have studied about the BODMAS part 2. In previous video we had already discussed about BODMAS basic rules. I hope you had understands of basic rule about BODMAS. Am I right? Am I right students? Most of the students they have mistakes of basic concept. I had already told you BODMAS means B stand for bracket, O stand for op, D stand for division, M stand for multiplications, A stand for additions, S stand for subtractions. How it was simple, but most of the students have a difficulties of some problems. So today we discuss about it. Okay students, so let us discuss about the some problems. This is the first problem of BODMAS rule. 15 minus 15 divide 15 multiplication 6. So firstly questions write as it is now. Okay, uh, here 15 divided by 15, how much? Firstly bracket is here, no. Of is here, no. Then division. So 15 by 15, how much? 15 as it is. 15 divided by 15, how much? 1 into 6. Right. Division. After multiplications, is there any multiplication as 1 into 6? So 15 minus 1 into 6 means 6. Okay, division okay, multiplications okay, then additions. But additions, is there additions? No, absent. Then subtractions. So 15 minus 6, 15 minus 6, how much? 9. How much? 9. So option C is the correct answer. How it was easy? Firstly divide, then multiplications, then subtractions. So let us move on next question. 5 multiplied by 16 divided by 8 multiplied by 2. So simple, follow the BODMAS rule. Bracket is there, no. Op is there, no. Then division, then divisions. When any operations performed between only two numbers, 16 by 8, how much? 16 by 8, how much? 2. Then multiplied by 2. Students, here multiplications, so all operations is multiplications. Division, then multiplications. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. So how much answer? 20. So 20 is the our answer. Which is option are correct? Option C. Let us on next questions. Move on next questions. 4 multiplied by 8 divided by 12 of 2 plus bracket is here 15 minus 3. So simple BODMAS rule follow. Bracket is here as, so firstly solve bracket. 15 minus 3, how much? 12. Bracket complete. Then O stand for of. Is there of present? Yes. 12 of 2. 12 of 2. 4. 12 of 2 means 12 of means multiplied by 2 plus 12, right. So bracket solve, then of solve, but of solve means 12 into 12, 12 into 12, 24. Okay, bracket firstly solve, then of solve, 12 into 12, 12 into 2, 24. Then bracket okay, of okay, then division. Is there any division? As 8 divided by 3, how much? That is 4 into 8 divided by 24 plus 12, right, right. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 3, so 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 plus 13. So division complete, then multiplications. 4 by 3 plus 13. 4 by 3, this is a fraction number, plus 13. 13 is a real number, this is a fractions number. So how much? 13 4 by 3. 13 4 by 3 is our answer. Okay students, so these questions have a one mistake. Which is mistake? 4 multiplied by 8 divided by 2. This is not 2, this is here 12. Okay, so firstly bracket, then O stand for of. 12 of 2, 12 of 2 means 12 multiplied by 2, 12 multiplied by 2 how means 24, 8 by 24, 8 ones are 1, 8 threes are 24, 1 by 3, then multiplications 4 into 1, 4 by 3 plus 3, 13 as it is 13 as it is 4 by 3 plus 13, 13 is a real, 4 by 3 is a fractions number, 13 4 by 3, this is a mixed fraction number, this is our answer. Okay students, are you understand? Firstly bracket, then O stand for of. Is there of present? If as, firstly of solve, then division, then multiplications, then additions, then subtractions. Okay student, so let us move on next question. Fourth number 40 plus 4% of 80 minus 59. So is there bracket? No. Is there O stand for of? Is there O of? Is there of? Yes. 4% of 80. 4% of 80. Firstly solve 4%. Percent means 4 divided by 100. Of means multiplied. Of means multiplied 80 as it is. Right. 80 as it is minus 59 as it is 40 plus. So firstly, is there bracket? No. Then is there of s? But of is there percentage form. Which form? Percentage form. 4% of 80. 4% means 4 by 100. O of means multiplied 80 as it is. This 0 cancel out. So 40, 8 fours are 32, divide by 10 minus 59. Suppose 54 divided by 10, that is means 5.4, that is means 5.4, right? So that 40 as it is 32 by 10 means this is only 10. When move on numerator side, then that times we take as a point before only one single digit. 3.2 minus 59. This is 54 number divided by 10. So is here only 10. When this 0 move on numerator side, we take as a point. Before only one digit, that is 4. So before one digit, 5.4. 40 plus 3.2 minus 15, how much? That is the 43.2 minus 59. 43.2 minus 59. This is simple. 49 is a smaller number, 59 is a bigger number. 43.2 is a positive number, 59 is a negative number. When we solve, we got a negative number because 59 is bigger and 43 is smaller. How much? 59.0. 59.0. How much? That is 8, remaining 1. That is 5. That is a 1. 15.8. 15.8. But can a positive number or negative number? 43 is the smaller, 59 is bigger, plus minus minus. So answer is minus 15.8. Answer is minus 15.8. Are you understand, student? 40 plus 4% of 80 minus 59. Is there bracket? No. Is there of s? But of is present percentage form. 4% of 80. 4%. 4 divided by 100 into 80. This 0 cancel out. 4 is 32 divided by 10. So how much? 3.2. 40 plus 3.2. How much? 43.2 minus 59. Okay, student. 43 minus 43.2 minus 59. How much? 59.0 minus 43.2. So how much? 15.8. So minus 15.8 is the our answer. Okay, are you understand? So let us move on next questions. 108 and 108 divided by 12 multiplied by 3, 3% of 40 plus 30. Is there bracket? Is there bracket? No. Is there of? S, but of is in the percentage form. Firstly, of solve 108 as it is 3%. Percent means 3 by 100. Of means multiplied by 40 as it is plus 30 as it is. Right, student? This 0 cancel out. 108 divided by 12, 3 by 10 multiplied by 4 plus 30. Okay. 3 4s are 12 divided by 10 plus 30. We already discussed about this type. 108 divided by 12. This is a single zero, means we take as a zero before a single digit, that is means 1.2 plus 30. Okay. Is there bracket? No. Is there of S? Then division. Is any division form? S. 108 divided by 2. How much? 12 nines are 108 multiplied by 1.2 plus 30. Right, student? Then 9 into 1.2. How much? 9 into 1.2. How much? 12 nines are 108. On this point, before a single digit, that is mean 108, on we take point before a single digit, that is mean 108, 10.8, that is mean 10.8 plus 30. How much? 40.8. How much? 40.8. This is our answer. Are you understand, student? Firstly, is there bracket? No. Then O stand for of. But is there of which form? Percentage form. 3% means 3 by 100. Of means multiplied. 40. 3 by 100 into 40 plus 30. So how much? 3 by 10 into 4. Right? 3 into 4. How much? 3 4s are 12. 12 divided by 10. How much? This is a single zero. We take as a point before only single digit, that is 1.2. Then division is here as 108 divided by 12. How much? 9. 9 multiplied by 1.2 plus 30. 9 into 1.2 means 108, but this is point before only a single point, that is means 108 we take as a point before a single digit, that is a 10.8 plus 30. How much? 40.8. Let us move on next questions. 90% of 100 plus 70% of 140 plus 34. How much? So simple Podomos rule apply. Is there bracket? No. Is there O of? Is there present O? S. 90% of 100. Then 70% of 140. Right? There are a of type, but which of type? Percentage form. Which type? Percentage type of is here. So firstly, solve of 90% means 90 divided by 100, of means multiplied into 100, plus as it is 70%, percent means divided by 100, of means multiplied 140 as it is 34 as it is. This 100, this 100 cancel out, how much? 90, that is plus as it is. This 0 cancel out, this 0 cancel out. So 7 14s are 14 multiplied by 7, how much? 98. How much? 98, or plus 34 as it is. Are you understand? 90% means 90 by 100, of means multiplied 100 as it is, plus as it is 70%, 70 divided by 100, of means multiplied 140 as it is. 100, this 100, this 100 cancel out, remaining 90, remaining 90. This 0 cancel out, this 0 cancel out. 7 14s are how much? 98 plus 34. This is 90, this is 98, this is 34. Only simple additions. 8 plus 4, how much? 12, remaining 1. 9 9 18, 18 plus 3 21, remaining 1 22. So 220, 222 is our answer. How it was simple. 90% of 100 plus 70% of 140 plus 34. Students, you know that simple basic of percentage. Firstly, you can revise of percentage. Student, you can revise of percentage, then you can solve this type of problem. Let us move on next questions. 59 plus 70% of 500, 17% of 500 minus 30. Is there bracket? Is there bracket? No. Is there of? S, but of is a percentage form. So firstly, of, so 17% means 17 divided by 100, of means multiplied 500 as it is, minus 30. This 0 cancel out, this 0 cancel out. 59, 17 multiplied by 5, 17 multiplied by 5, how much? 85 minus 30. Then division is here, no. Multiplication is here, no. Addition is here, yes. So firstly additions. 59 plus 85, how much? 9 plus 5, 14, remaining 1. 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 1, 144 minus 30, that is means 114, that is means 114, 114 is our answer. How it was simple, student. Firstly bracket, then of, then division, then multiplications, then additions, and lastly subtractions. Is there bracket? No. Is there of? As 17% of 500. Firstly we can solve 17% of 500, that is 85. 59 plus 85, how much? 144 minus 30, difference how 144 minus 30, 30 difference of 30, that is means 114 is our answer. Let us move on next questions. Bracket is here bracket 72 divided by 18 multiplied by 5 plus 10% of 80 minus 15, 10% of 80 minus 15. So simple Bottom's rule for follow. B stand for bracket is here bracket. Is there bracket? Yes. 72 divided by 18. How much? That is the 4. 18 4 is 72 multiplied by 5 plus 10% of 80 minus 15. So bracket solve then. O stand for of. Is there present of? Is there present of as 10% of 80, as 10% of 80. So 4 multiplied by 5 plus as it is 10% means 10 by 100 of means multiplied by 80 as it is minus 15. So this 0 cancel out, this 0 cancel out. 1 into 8 how much? 8. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 8 minus 15 of s. Then division no, then multiplications as 4 5s are 20 plus 8 minus 15, additions as 20 plus 8 28 minus 15, then subtraction as 28 minus 15 how much? 13. How much? 13. So 13 is our answer. How it was simple? 72 divided by 18. Firstly bracket solve. 72 by 18 how much? 4 multiplied by 5 as it is. Then O stand for of. 10% of 80 means 8. 10% of 80, 10% of 80 means how much? 8 minus 15 as it is. 4 into 5 that is means 20. 20 plus 8 28 minus 15 means 28 minus 15 how much? 20, how much? 13. 13 is our last answer. This is our answer. Are you understand students how it was simple? Simply follow Bottom's rule. I hope this type of problems your doubts are clear. I hope your doubt are clear. Let us move on next question. Bracket 120 divided by 15 multiplied by 4 bracket complete of 4 plus 40. Is there bracket? Yes. So firstly you can solve. You must solve bracket 120 divided by 15 how much? 15 8s are 120. 4 of 4 plus 40. Firstly bracket solve. 120 divided by 15 how much? 8. 8 4s are how much? 32 of plus of 4 plus 40. Bracket complete. Then O stand for of. 32 of means multiplied that is 4 as it is plus 4 of complete. So firstly solve 32 into 4 how much? 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 128 plus 14. Then additions. Simple. How much? 168. How much? 168. Firstly, bracket solve. 120 divided by 15 into 4. 120 divided by 15, that is 8. Firstly, bracket, then of, then division. 120 divided by 15. How much? 8. 8 into 4. How much? 32. Of means multiplied. 4 as it is. 32 into 4, that is 128 plus 40. 128 plus 40. How much? 168. 168 is our answer. Let us move on next question. So 18 divided by 9 of 7. 18 of 9 divided by 7. Is there bracket? Is there bracket? No. Is there of? Yes. So firstly, solve of type. 18 divided by 9 as it is. 18 divided by 9 as it is. Firstly, of. Of means multiplied by 7. 18 of means multiplied by 9 divided by 7. Okay, student. Firstly, of, then division, then 18 divided by 9 sevens are 63. 18 nines are 162 divided by 7. We can write 18 divided by 63, then divide 162 divided by 7. We can write, so we can also write this is form, in this form. Okay, student, we can write in this form also. 18 divided by 63. Okay, then divide means divide, then 162 divided by 7. So can we write 18 divided by 63? This is the denominator term. When denominator is moved on numerator side, then divide is convert into multiplications. This is a numerator, this is a denominator, numerator as it is, 18 by 63 as it is. When denominator is moved on numerator side, that times 162 7. This is the reciprocal. How much? 7 by 162. 7 by 162. Okay, students, 18 by 63 as it is, we take as a reciprocal of denominator side. We take as a reciprocal of denominator. 18 by 63 reciprocal means multiplied by 7 by 162. Right? We can write is here 18 by 63 7 162. Right? 7 ones are 1, 7 nines are 63, 18 ones are 1, 18 nines are 162, means 1 by 9, 1 by 9. How much? 1 by 81. 1 by 81 is our answer. How we can solve? Firstly, is there bracket? No. Is there O? O means of S. 9 of 7. 9 of 7 means how much? Of means multiplications. 9 into 7, how much? 63. This type 18 of. 18 of means multiplications. 18 nines are 162. So we can write this is in this form. We can write in this form 18 divided by 63. Okay, then divide 162 divided by 7. 18 by 63 numerator term as it is, divide is convert into multiplications, and denominator when we move on numerator side, then 18 by 63 multiplied by reciprocal means 7 by 162. Okay, so we can write is here 18 by 63, 7 by 162, 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63, 18 ones are 1, 18 nines are 162. So 1 by 9, 1 by 9, how much? 1 into 1, 1, 9, 9, 81, 1 by 81 is our answer. I hope you are understanding the basic concept of Bottom's rule. You had already discussed in the first part of Bottom's that, and in this second type of video Bottom's, this is here off, specially off, because most of the students have continued doing a mistake. I hope your doubt are cleared in this video. If you have any doubt, you can write in section comment box. Okay student, I hope you are enjoyable a video. If you can any queries, you can ask me of our Telegram channel. Take care student, bye. Then in third part we will discuss about fraction type. Which type? Fractions. Okay student, so you can keep revisions of Bottom's, percentage, fractions and operations also. Thank you, bye bye.